Do you know Sharp's washing machine that has no holes in its washing tub? No Holes Tub is Sharp's original technology, which has been developed by repeated research to solve various issues and challenges. The thing that matters the most for washing machines is to be able to wash with clean water. Black molds grow on the outside of washing tubs when used for many years. While a usual tub with holes allows the molds to intrude back into the tub when washing, No Holes Tub does not, and so the washing tub can be kept clean. What matters next is to minimize the usage of unnecessary water. A washing machine consists of two tubs, a washing tub and an outer tub that holds the washing tub. A conventional tub requires water to be filled in its outer tub, while a no-holes tub only requires water in its washing tub. Therefore, when comparing the amounts of water used in a single wash, no-holes tub can expect to save up to 30% of water. Of course, even with our no-holes tub, there is no problem with spin dry. Our no-holes tub has an outside tilt of 1 degree. After draining water from the bottom of the washing tub, no-holes tub spins out the remaining water from the top by a strong centrifugal force, thus rinsing and cleaning the outer tub as well during the spin dry process.
Sharp, be original.